How can I quite it? It's too big, too big, too big, too big. Wow, great, great, great. Ooh, it's a big frog. See, wow. How old are this one? How old are this one? Frog, frog. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Frog, frog. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Primitive's Cooking KH. Today we go to the countryside, looking at the farmers, they cutting the rice, and then we can see a lot of the cows. Yeah, cows, farmer cows. Look at here. Yeah, jasmine rice. So we go down to the rice field to look at the frog. I heard about the frog, they graze in the field. Yeah, see the mountain? That's a mountain. Yeah, looking the frog. I heard about around here that we have the frog. Yeah, some is a frog they're living here. Lies here. No have. No have. Frog. I think maybe have here around is old coconuts. Yeah, nothing inside. Nothing inside. Yeah, I see maybe frog living here. Hold on. It's coconut in the right field. Don't forget share, comments my video. Yeah. I think yes, this one I think maybe half. The frog is right here. Wow, I heard. I get it. It's a frog. Wow, this is the big one. It's the big one, the big one. Wow, how can I quite it? It's too big, too big, too big, too big. Wow, great, great, great. Ooh, it's a big frog. See, wow. How old are this one? How old are this one? Frog, frog. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Frog, frog. Just living here. See here? Just like this. See the whole lawn like this. Hold on. How can I catch this one? Wow. Oh. It's too big. Too big. Wow. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's big. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow, so big, so big, so big. Yeah. I never heard about a big frog like this. Oh, yeah. Yes. This is, yeah. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Wow. It's go down that way. Go down that way. Oh, it's too big. Yeah, see, frog go in the field. Oh, field. Frog. Yeah. Oh, so quick. Yeah, everyone, please share, comment. Oh, sorry. Share, comment. Wow. It's the big one. It's the mountain, top of the palm tree. Thank you very much for watching my video. Yeah, Primitives Cooking KH. I catch the frog in the right field. Wow. Wow. Yes. Up. Yes. Big. This frog is in the natural frog. Big. It's gets the bigger one. This is the head, and then we use like this. Take all the skin. Skin. It's a bigger one also. Whoa, get three frog is bigger. Yeah. Yes, it's perfect. Wow, so delicious. We fried frog. Yes, it's nice. Okay, it's good. Here we run. Yes.